the washing machine. Just gentle cycle. But if you bring your heel, or you can even bring up feet, so you don't twist your ankle or knees. And what are we gonna do? We're gonna go down. Bend your knee, but pushing your buttocks way back. Don't push your knee forward. And if you can stay upright on your chest, just stimulate the legs right here. Avoid the knee. And we're gonna go up, up, up. And say hello to kidney. Going up, up, up. Tap your shoulders. Take it back to neutral place. Catch up with your breath. And our routine, I love you this much. How much? This much. Yeah, this much. And we are going to hug the huge tree. Hug the tree. Open up your back. One more. I love you this much. We're going to hold this right here. Take your right shoulder blade